Let's get straight to it. Your daily routine might be packed with tasks and obligations, with little time left for self-care. I understand. We are living in that information age, in which we have very tight schedules all the time. But here's the thing, dedicating just 30 minutes a day to a simple yet powerful activity can make a world of difference. Imagine this: improved focus, reduced stress, and a sense of accomplishment that sets the tone for the entire day. Not to mention, your body will thank you with increased flexibility, better posture, and a boost in overall vitality. Plus, with consistent effort, you'll notice improved mental clarity, sharper cognitive function, and a greater sense of well-being. So, in today's video, we will explore the 10 potential benefits that will directly affect your body when you go out for a 30-minute walk daily. Number 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular running is an effective prescription for a healthy heart. Studies, including those conducted by Dr. Paul T. Williams and colleagues in 2013, repeatedly show that this aerobic exercise strengthens the heart muscle, improves blood circulation, and improves overall cardiovascular performance as well. Dr. Duk-Chul Lee and his team discovered in a 2014 study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology that regular running lowers the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. So it is evident that including 30 minutes of running into your lifestyle is more than just a fitness step. It is a step toward a healthy heart and a happier life. Number 2. Weight management. Human body weight is dependent on various factors, and indeed running can affect it. Obviously, running burns calories, as demonstrated by medical science, making it a vital component of any weight loss plan. It is more effective to combine this exercise with a well-balanced diet to achieve long-term weight loss. Not only are you burning calories with each stride, but you're also shaping a healthier body. Accept the ease of use and efficacy of running in reaching your weight reduction objectives. Hence, it is a route to a better and healthier life, not just an exercise routine. Number 3. Stress reduction. Moving towards the third benefit, experience the natural remedy for stress reduction. Running. Scientifically proven, running stimulates the release of endorphins, a chemical, your body's built-in mood boosters. These neurotransmitters promote feelings of happiness and relaxation, effectively diminishing stress, anxiety, and depression. It's not just a physical workout, it's a mental revival. So, lace up your shoes, hit the pavement, and let the rhythm of your run dissolve the tensions of the day. Accept the healing benefits of running and discover a more peaceful frame of mind. Number 4. Improved mental health. If you are suffering from a situation due to which your mind is not working as it should be, then it can be an alarming situation for your overall health. Running regularly is a great way to improve your mental health in addition to your physical health. It has also been medically proven to improve mood, increase self-esteem, and improve cognitive performance. In addition, regular running may lower the chance of getting mentally crippling conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. It is therefore recommended that you strengthening your body and nourish your mind for long-term health and energy when you put on your sneakers and start a regular jogging routine. Number 5. Increased bone density. Weight-bearing workouts, such as running, have repeatedly been proven in studies to play an important role in maintaining and improving bone health. According to research, these exercises increase bone formation, hence boosting bone density and strength. In reality, frequent jogging can greatly lower the incidence of osteoporosis and fractures, especially as people get older. Also, the persons who incorporate weight-bearing workouts into their daily routine life have a 20% lower risk of getting osteoporosis than those who lead idle lifestyles. Number 6. Better sleep quality. Open the doors to better sleep. Research indicates that a regular physical activity routine, like running, can greatly improve the quality of one's sleep. Empirical studies reveal that people who exercise regularly fall asleep earlier and wake up feeling more fresh. In fact, a study that was published in the Journal of Sleep Research discovered that those who are active have a 65% lower likelihood of having poor quality sleep. So we just noticed that getting just 30 minutes of exercise each day will help you sleep better and feel more refreshed, awaiting sweet dreams. Number 7. Enhanced lung function. Lungs are also an important organ of any human body. Till then, they are working fine, and the human being remains medically fit. But when they do not act as they are supposed to do in the human body, then various issues can arise. So in this context, running is a powerful exercise for your lungs. It's not just about the physical strain. Research indicates that running on a regular basis improves lung function. Also, it improves lung function and capacity, which improves muscle uptake and transport of oxygen. Studies show that those who run frequently have a significant increase in lung capacity, which facilitates more effective breathing both during physical activity and in daily life. With such strong data to support its advantages, running is absolutely essential for maintaining respiratory health in general. Number 8. Increased energy levels. Along with other crucial benefits for the human body, regular running has been shown to greatly increase energy levels. Studies reveal that even 30 minutes of running a day can contribute significantly to an increase in general energy. Also, consistent runners have better blood circulation and oxygen flow to the brain, which contributes to their increased alertness and productivity throughout the day. As a matter of fact, in contrast to non-runners, those who regularly ran reported feeling 65% less tired. So put on your sneakers and enjoy the energizing advantages of going for a daily run. Number 9. Enhanced immune system. Boost your defense against illness. Medical evidence shows that moderate intensity exercise, such as running, bolsters the immune system, diminishing the likelihood of infections, colds, and flu. In fact, individuals engaged in regular physical activity experience up to 50% fewer sick days. With the flu season always looming, a 30-minute run a day can be your shield, enhancing your immune resilience. Prioritize your health and reduce the risk of falling prey to common illnesses by incorporating this simple yet powerful practice into your routine. Number 10. Longer lifespan. Last but not least, with just one easy habit, running, you can discover the key to a longer, healthier life. Supported by an array of medical evidence, studies show that regular runners outlive non-runners by a substantial margin. Certainly there are advantages: a lower chance of developing chronic illnesses, better cardiovascular health, and an overall higher quality of life. Hence proved, runners may really lengthen their lives by several years, and every mile they cover adds to a happier, more colorful future. So start running for a lifetime of energy and longevity, not just for today. If you found this video helpful, and I know you did, give that like button a little love and hit subscribe for more game-changing tips. Stay tuned, stay strong, and let's conquer that better physical health together. Until next time, keep rocking, stay aligned, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.